Hi, I'm about to do the Embrace 29 walkthrough video for you all. Thanks for coming to watch, but I just had to show you a sneak peek of my favourite part of this house, and that's the laundry. Check it out. The Embrace 29 floor plan now comes with an epic mudroom as well as your laundry space. So you've got all of your melamine shelving, you've got a designated linen press just here, your great size trough, but there's so much space in here and your kids can kick off their muddy boots, drop their school bags, and then you can head into the rest of the house. I just love how versatile this space is. You can really create it and set it up for whatever suits your lifestyle and your family. Let's get to the video. Welcome to Langdon Building. Today we're showcasing to you the Embrace 29 floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 living space home with an amazing kitchen setup. I've already given you a little sneak peek of the mudroom, but I can't wait to show you the rest of this plan. Let's go. Wow. The first impression you get when you walk into this home is there's so much space. It's really beautiful and open and gives you a I've just come home feeling. I'm going to take you into the master suite to start. So straight away, double doors. It means that when you walk into the home, you're not greeted by a big hallway. It's nice and open and it's beautiful, but it also allows you to get those big pieces of furniture into your master suite. There's lots of room in here, as you can see, and the finishings are just perfect. We've got feature cornice through the living space as well as the master suite in all of our designer range homes. You've also got your Holland block out blinds, so you can close that down when you need to go to sleep and open it up, and you've got a beautiful open feel to your room. Come on into the walk-in robes. So our robe setup in the Embrace 29 is a his and hers. It's kind of a little bit cheeky, but let's be honest, generally one person in a relationship has more clothes than the other. All of our master robes come with double towel boxes as well as amazing storage space. You've got a parcel shelf here, your towers, as well as good quality hanging that can hold a lot of weight. You can pack heaps of clothes in here. The his robe comes with 2 quick slide doors and ample hanging space, and it's really easy to add a second row in there for double hanging for pants and shirts. The master suite has loads of space in it, which probably isn't such a big deal while you're young and you're active, but when you get older, there's lots of space in here if you need mobility aids or accessibility as well. So you've got his and hers sinks, a full-size mirror, a vanity that's got lots of space to put your things on. You can have a choice between a vanity that goes all the way to the floor or a floating vanity as pictured here. Don't you just love the feel of this shower? It's nice and open, there's plenty of room in here, and it's finished beautifully with great tiles, beautiful finishes, and it's quite easy just to add a tiled niche in here at a very affordable price to store all of your bottles. So as you can see, our master retreats are a great place just for you to escape. You can escape to a book, escape to your bed, escape to a beautiful shower on your own. While I'm talking about escaping, let me show you the front lounge. So while we're talking about escaping the kids, this lounge is a great retreat for the grown-ups because it's separate from the living of the rest of the home. The other advantage is if you've got people coming into your house, you can entertain them here without the need for them to enter into the private space of the rest of the house. Nice and quiet, but a beautiful big space. You can put some fantastic furniture in here, and it really gives you that open feel when you walk in. It's classy and stylish. I'm going to take you down to the rear of the house now, where there's 3 bedrooms as well as an amazing retreat. Let's go. Just imagine how great your guests would feel when they come to your home and there's this space available to them. They've got their own place away from everybody else where they can sit and relax and read a book. Or if you've got a younger family, you've got a place that you can close off with a door if it's a little bit untidy, or when they're teenagers, they've got a place they can entertain their friends with a little bit of privacy as well. There's loads of space in this area. There's a section that's been actually designed into this space for the television, which makes it seem nice and tidy as well. It's really easy to get your TV and your unit in there, or even a study desk if you decide that this is a TV-free space for you. There's a great size window for natural light coming in here, as well as some amazing storage. I just think this space is so functional. It's great for guests, it's great for small children, it's fantastic for teens. One of the many great things that are fabulous about Langdon Homes is the storage. I know you saw a lot of storage there in that mudroom, but we're at the rear of the house now and we haven't forgotten the needs of your children. We've got double sliding doors here with 4 melamine shelves. It's a great place for you to store your board games, photo albums, or anything like that. I love the fact that there's just no wasted space in a Langdon home. All the bedrooms in a Langdon home are a great size for function as well as placement of furniture. We've got amazing big windows, fly screens and blinds standard as well, but all that natural light comes in so they're beautiful and bright. It's another room at the rear of the home. Beautiful and spacious, great size window with natural light. The difference with this one though in the Embrace 29 is it's got 2 built-in robes. This room's fantastic if you're going to be doubling up with 2 children in the room, or if you've got an older teenager that just needs a bit more space. Now generally when we're talking 4-bedroom homes, there's always a little room. You can see here we've styled this room with a single bed, but there's plenty of space here even for a queen. Here we are in the family bathroom. Again, just like the master, you can have a floating vanity or a vanity that goes all the way down to the floor. We only use quality fixtures and fittings for our plumbing fit outs. You can see it's got a beautiful sink, great tap, full length mirror and a full size bathtub. Your bathrooms come standard with obscure glass and a Holland block out blind. Your towel rails and your toilet roll holders are all standard in your Langdon build, as well as a full size bathtub for your family. Now the area you've all been waiting to see, the open living. So you can see that this is the heart of the home. Everything happens here in the hustle and bustle of day-to-day life. We've got an amazing sized dining room. We've got this set for 8. There's loads of space to walk around here and access outside in the alfresco. We've got a beautiful big functional kitchen. This is the ultimate kitchen in my opinion. It's got a great size island, beautiful big benches, lots of space to do everything that you need. The kids can sit up here and do their homework, or you can pull up a stool and have a glass of wine and chat to the chef. Now I don't say the ultimate kitchen lightly, but I have a soft spot for the kitchen here in Langdon's because they genuinely come with everything that you need. Firstly, we've got overhead joinery to the fridge space and there's a water point in there for your fridge as well. So soft close is standard. And you've got a great range of colours and finishes for your joinery, as well as some amazing finishes in your handles. Your double sink comes standard, and we've got beautiful fittings when it comes to how we finish off your plumbing. Another design feature in the kitchen is that you can have 3 pendant lights or 3 down lights as standard over your island. Now Langdon give you everything that you need in your build to move in and just enjoy living your life. So your quality Westinghouse appliances come standard. Here we've got an amazing dishwasher, modern, great size for the family. We've got the 900 oven that's standard, lots of space in there. Gas cooktop, electric oven. There's even a bin in your drawer. Pot drawers are standard in a Langdon kitchen as well, and soft close on those too. We pride ourselves on making sure our pantries are suitable for everything you need in your family home. This pantry, however, is upgraded. It's what we call a butler's pantry. The standard pantry would come the same size, however it would have melamine shelving for you to place your food and some of your larger appliances on. This one, however, is upgraded with some joinery and overhead cabinets and a sink fit-off. You can have that as an upgrade or an add-on pack. We love it when you do some bolt-ons to really customise to what you need for your home and your lifestyle. This house has a great flow from inside to outside. So your butler's pantry comes standard with these windows, so you can serve straight out to your friends or family while you're entertaining, or they can hand things back into the window without trudging through your home. The Embrace floor plan also allows you to be part of the day-to-day running of the house while you're stuck in the kitchen, because the lounge room's just there. This family lounge space is huge. You can fit a massive couch in here. Corner units fit just beautifully. Great natural light coming in, but we've designed the window so you can put your furniture placement there if you need to. Our homes come standard with the antenna on the roof, and your TV points to all your living spaces as well as your master suite. At Langdon, we're all about function, design and flow. So the Embrace 29's alfresco comes directly off the dining room. It's got a 4-panel, 2-sliding glass door. Holland block-out blinds are standard for when you want to close down the house. This is our beautiful alfresco space, coming straight off the dining and with access into that butler's pantry. It's really functional and beautiful. Our alfrescos also come standard with downlights, the concrete paving and the waterproof PowerPoint. I make no secret of the fact that the laundry is the place in a home that I love designing the most. So at Langdon, all the hard work's done for you. We've got a great deep full-size trough. A laundry basket comes standard, so the hamper's right there in the drawer. Enough space to stack your washer and your dryer. Sliding glass door as well as the clothesline and the paving that you need to get out there so you're not hanging your socks out in the mud, and a great sized linen press. There's 4 shelves in here, quick slide robe doors again. All of our floor plans are available for you to view on our website. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for coming and joining me today for the walkthrough of the beautiful Embrace 29. We look forward to seeing you and your family in one of our display homes soon.